You should add me on Facebook.
I don't have a Facebook.
Why don't you make one?
I don't have money.
Facebook is free to join.
What do I have to do?
Go to the website and sign up.
It says I need an email address.
Don't you have one?
I don't remember the password.
Don't you ever email friends?
I like texting better.
What are you going to order?
The pizza looks delicious. I think I'll go with that.
I had pizza yesterday, so
Okay then. What about the hamburger?
sounds good. I'll go with that.
Public restrooms gross me out.
They're not always bad.
Even when they look clean, there are germs everywhere.
That's because so many people don't wash their hands.
That makes me so angry.
Me too. Washing hands is a simple thing to do.
I think everyone is just too lazy to do it.
It's very rude of them.
I agree. Even 5-year-olds know better than not to wash their hands.
But there's not much we can do about it.
Excuse me, could I have the value meal, please?
Sure thing. Which do you want? French fries or salad?
French fries.
Okay. What will you have to drink?
Coke, please.
You didn't answer your phone last night.
The phone company cut my wireless.
Why? Did you pay your phone bill?
I refused to pay the last one.
Why didn't you want to pay it?
It was much too high.
Did you make many long-distance calls?
I thought it was free to call others' cell phones.
Only if they're from the same provider.
Oops, that was my fault.
You'd better call the company and apologize for this mess.
Can I use your phone? Mine is still dead.
Excuse me, do you know if there's a bus stop near here?
Yes, one is very close. First, go straight and turn at the second traffic light. Then, turn left at the corner of the bookstore. You will see a bank. The bus stop is in front of the bank.
Got it. Thank you so much.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have 2 fishes.
That's it? Why don't you get more pets?
I'm allergic to fur.
That's terrible. I love cats and dogs.
Do you own any?
I have 2 cats and 3 dogs.
Wow, that's a lot of animals.
I know, but I love them so much.
I wish I could own a cat someday.
You're not happy with your fishes?
Not really. I can't even pet them.
Maybe you could get a snake.
I'm not that desperate.
Hey, heading home now.
Okay. Could you buy something on the way home?
Sure. What do you want me to get?
We need some milk and bread for tomorrow's breakfast.
Milk and bread. Got it. How many cartons of milk?
1 should be fine.
Okay. Anything else?
1 second. Let me check if we have butter. Okay, we've got some.
All right. Do we have any beer left?
Yes, we still have a bottle here.
Okay. So we don't need to buy any right now.
Right, I think we're good. Thank you.
My house is much too stuffy nowadays.
It's the hot weather.
I bought an air conditioner, but it doesn't help at night.
I heard it's bad to leave it on at night.
Why can't I leave it on at night?
It causes you to catch cold.
I bought a fan, but it makes too much noise.
Why don't you install a ceiling fan?
Are they quiet?
Yes, and inexpensive too.
Is it easy to install?
Yes, if they weren't, they'd fall on people all the time.
Hello, how can I help you?
What time do you close today?
We close at 6 o'clock, but please come in before 5:30.
Okay. Thank you.
I'd like to open another account.
That's great. What kind of account would you like to open?
I already have a checking account here.
So, would you like to open a savings account?
Will I earn interest on a savings account?
As long as you make regular deposits and do not make withdrawals.
What is an interest rate?
You will earn 1% interest per month.
Can I transfer money from my checking account?
Of course you can. We can even set it up so it happens automatically.
Are there any fees?
There is a one-time $10 service fee.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a really light ultrabook.
Okay, how about this one? It's really flat and light.
It looks nice. Can you watch DVDs on this computer?
I'm afraid not. You can watch DVDs on that one, but it's a little bit larger and heavier.
Yeah. This is too heavy. I'll buy the first one.
Thank you so much. You can choose from white, black, or silver.
I want the black one.
I don't know what to give my dad for Father's Day.
Why don't you give him a card?
I already bought a card, but I want to give him a present too.
What does your father like to do?
He likes to cook.
Maybe you can give him a chef's hat.
Be serious. That gift is not practical.
What other sorts of things does he like?
He likes carpentry.
What about getting him a new carving set?
That sounds like a good idea.
Let's look for one online.
Well, I'm giving you 3 kinds of medicine. Please take them after dinner every day.
Okay.
Take 2 of the round pills, 1 capsule, and 1 eardrop each time.
Sure.
I'm giving you a 3-day course of medicine. If you're not better after that, come and see me again.
Thank you very much.
Get well soon.
Take out your student ID card.
Why do I need it?
If you show it to the driver, your ticket costs less.
That is very helpful to students.
Yes, saving every little bit counts.
He charged me a whole $1 less.
Yes, bus drivers are nice to students.
I wish I'd known it do it sooner.
Me too. We would have saved some money.
Does it work for college students too?
I think so, as long as you show a school ID.
I'd better tell my big brother too.
May I help you?
I'm looking for a birthday present for my wife. What do you recommend?
Well, what about this necklace?
It looks a little long.
What about these over here? We have one with a flower pendant and another one with a heart.
I'm looking for something a bit more sophisticated. How much is this pearl necklace over here?
It's $5,000.
That's too expensive. Okay, I'll take the first one.
Sure thing. Here you are.